Welcome back to TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to free up Gmail storage if your Gmail storage has exceeded 15 gigabytes. Step 1. Check your storage usage. Go to your Google account storage page. Here, you can clearly see which part, Gmail, Drive, or Photos, is taking the most space. This helps you plan what to delete first. Step 2. Clear Gmail storage. Open Gmail and use the search bar to find large emails. Type this in the search bar. Has attachment larger, 10 M. This shows emails with attachments larger than 10 megabytes. You can also try larger, 5 M for smaller attachments. Now, delete the emails you don't need. Next, delete old emails. Use this filter. Before, YYY/MM/DD to remove older mails, or is unread to delete unread junk mails. After that, empty your spam and trash folders. This frees up hidden space immediately. Also, go to Settings, see All Settings, manage all storage to review and delete emails with large attachments directly. Step 3. Clear Google Drive storage. Go to Google Drive, click on Storage on the left side, and sort files by size. Delete large or unused files that are taking too much space. Once deleted, open the trash in Google Drive and empty it permanently, otherwise, those files still count in your storage. Step 4. Clean up Google Photos. Open Google Photos and delete large or duplicate photos and videos. Focus on high-resolution files, especially those over 100 megabytes. To save space but keep your photos, go to Backup and Sync Settings, Upload Size, choose Storage Saver, High Quality, instead of original quality. This compresses files and saves tons of space. Step 5. Use Google Storage Manager tool. Finally, go to Google Storage Manager. It automatically scans and shows you large files, emails, and photos taking up space. You can delete everything unnecessary with just a few clicks. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.